Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here is Chef G again. Well, I went to the store and I saw this pineapple. I've been seeing so many videos that you guys try to peel pineapples like this, but you know what? I just bought this pineapple just to show you guys that it is simple. It is simple to eat a pineapple cut in pieces like this, right? But one thing that I'm gonna show you guys. Look, you see how many juice you guys waste? You see all the meat that you guys gonna waste ending the day. Look, you guys gonna have this, yes, nice chunks, nice and juicy chunks. But guess what? Look how much you guys use it, like wasting all this meat. This is meat that you guys can eat. Look, all this beer right here, that one's good. So I don't get it why you guys keep watching those videos where they got this kind of pineapples, wasting time and money right there. So okay, let's go back to the kitchen now. Now I'm gonna do some pasta, let's say fettuccine Alfredo for my kids. It's really simple. I got a cream sauce working right here, which is Alfredo sauce. It's really simple to make Alfredo sauce from scratch. You just gotta saute onions, garlic, bay leaves, white pepper, and use some white. So once you got this, you're gonna add the milk, which is already there, about boiling. And this part right here, I got my water. Then I'm gonna add my pasta right here. Once you got boiling water, you're gonna add a little bit of oil so it don't get stick. Oil and a little bit of salt. So let it cook. All depends what kind of pasta you are making. At this point, I only have spaghetti right here. So I'm gonna make a spaghetti Alfredo, right? With shrimp. So this spaghetti, you're gonna cook for about, if your water is boiling, you can cook it for about 10 minutes or so. 10 minutes, so the pasta gets al dente. You don't wanna do overdone. So just leave it there for about 10 minutes and we're gonna go back in there. As you can see, this sauce right here, it's getting ready. See that? It's nice and boiling. So here's my Alfredo sauce. I got my pasta right here. Cooking is boiling. So we're gonna let it sit in there for 10 minutes. And here's the shrimp that we're gonna put them in there.